At the opening of LMI Technologies' Cupertino office, we were joined by several of our TKH Vision sister companies who brought along some incredible demonstrations of their own cutting-edge machine vision technologies. While these products are not developed by LMI Technologies, they showcase the expertise of our larger TKH Vision family.
Hi, my name is Matthew Hori. I'm with Allied Vision. We're a camera manufacturer based in Germany. What we have here is 4 different sensors. We have a near infrared enhanced, a shortwave infrared, a centered visible, also a UV sensitive sensor. We're also showing how flexible it is to have different type of interfaces. You have USB 3, 5 GigE, Gigabit Ethernet, and also GMSL2, otherwise known as SERDES. What we're showing here is different type of material on a turntable with different type of wavelengths. One's a 1450 nanometer wavelength light for shortwave infrared, 850 nanometer light for near infrared, and also a UV light here as well. One example when it comes to shortwave infrared, and this is why we're showing a 1450 nanometer light, is that at 1450 nanometers, the water absorption is really high, so anything that's made of like water or liquid will turn black. Typical applications for us, it really ranges. It could be different type of factory automation, inspection systems, medical, different type of agricultural applications as well. Thank you.